Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to head out to Long Island and Syosset, New York for a special event at the Syosset Fire Department Headquarters. I'm here at the Syosset Fire Department, Syosset, New York. There's a big ceremony going on. I had the privilege of attending as Rob Camarda, one of the drone pilots, invited me. Rob's daughter, Jessica, was also there taking photos. The chiefs dedicated the 6 trucks, and then it was on to the wet down festivities. I declined Rob's offer to sit in one of the trucks, but I should have taken him up on it. He would have got a better look at it. All right, so anyway, I'm here with Rob Camarda, Aviano Aerial Photography. But Rob is a volunteer firefighter, and he flies the drone for the Syosset Fire Department. So let's see if I can get a few words in him. Looks kind of busy, but maybe he'll say so. Rob, what are you doing there, Rob?
Setting up to take off, get some shots. Waiting to get a full connection.
Yeah.
Which we do. Gimbal works, camera works.
All right. Props are spinning. Look at that drone. Look at that drone. Rob's flying the Evo II Pro here. I was Rob's self-appointed visual observer. They got water spraying, Rob. They got water spraying. Rob got some great shots of the setting up prior, but the wet down festivities were about to start. So I sent up my Mavic 3. Get some shots. I might add, I was careful not to fly over people or moving vehicles. But this was a cool event. I also might add that's the Long Island Railroad Syosset train station right there in the background, and I was hoping a train would come in. And I did manage to catch a Long Island Railroad train. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos. The Syosset Volunteer Fire Department is one of the best in New York State. And there were the 6 fire engines. I was very honored to be invited to this event, especially to fly my drone. Thank you, Rob. There's the 6 fire trucks heading down Cold Spring Road. take a look at this water being pumped from these trucks. I did not want to interfere with Rob's flight as he was the primary drone operator. So let me zoom in on these trucks coming in. Say here and now that this was one of the coolest drone flights I've ever had. Thank you again, Rob, for inviting me. I also want to say thank you for your service to all the brave men and women of the Syosset Volunteer Fire Department and all the first responders and law enforcement officers out there. Didn't want this flight to end, but it was time to bring the Mavic 3 back home. Rob was still flying, but I had to take a selfie with Rob and Jessica, and of course the Mavic 3. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my weekly live stream on Mondays at 6 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.